Hello everyone, and welcome to my hometown of Northlake, Illinois. Yes, this is my first video I've done here in my hometown of Northlake. We are not in Lake County anymore. We are in the western suburbs of Chicago, in Cook County. And we are here because I'm going to give you a tour of the recent renovations that are still in the progress of being done to the Midland Trail. Now, I grew up in this area. I walked and rode my bike through this trail many times, and it has changed quite a bit over the past year or so. They have done a lot of renovations, including removing a ton of trees and just doing renovations to help the creek and the area wildlife, trees and stuff grow better in the future around here. Now, this video probably won't interest a lot of people, but I do have a lot of followers on my channel from my high school who grew up in this area, and I think they might be interested in this. So this is for you guys, all my Leiden peeps. I hope you enjoy, and I think I will be back next year as well to see what other renovations they do through here during that time. So we are just going to head north along the trail. Now, a lot of this area was heavily wooded, I guess you could say, along the creek. But the trees were very, very old, and there was issues with the water properly flowing through the creek, which was a big reason for the renovation here. Looks like they're regrowing the grass all along here. This is definitely new. And just to show you how much things changed, I didn't even know the creek flowed this way before. It could be new, but I'm not really sure. It goes in here and then heads somewhere over this way, I guess. Now, this was one of the more dense areas with the trees. Now, I can understand if you're not from this area, this really doesn't mean anything to you, but if you did grow up here in Northlake, you know how weird this looks. How weird it is to see this place so open up like this. Now, this is my first visit to the Midland Trail since the renovations began. So, my first impression, surprisingly, I'm impressed. Now, I was kind of weary at first. You know, these trees have been here forever. How's it gonna look, you know, after everything is removed? And I actually think it looks pretty good. Mainly because the creek is more exposed and is a more important feature and a part of the trail now. Now, we always knew it was there before, but it never really stood out. And now it's a significant part of this trail and this whole park area here, which Northlake has done a wonderful job over the years on creating and keeping up with. So as more trees and stuff starts to grow here, I think it's going to actually look really good. So I'm definitely going to be back here and checking this out again, probably next summer, and see if it's any different. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hoped all my lighting peeps enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and check out Memories by Wayne on Facebook and Instagram as well. Thank you for watching.